Good morning, students. Today, let us start our class with the lesson Charity of a Tree from Virtues Values book. This is a story of a tree's charity. Let's go through the summary of the story. Once there was a boy. He used to play under the large mango tree. He would announce every day, I am the king of the forest. He used to make the crown by using the leaves of that mango tree. The tree was also very happy and it liked the boy very much. Time passed. The boy grew to be a man. So he was not interested to visit the tree and to climb on it. But to the tree he would always be a boy. So it waited for the boy daily. One day the boy came to see the tree. It was very happy to see the boy. Then the boy said, I need money because without money I cannot marry. For what purpose he visited the tree? For the help. Because he had no money for his marriage. Then the tree told him to take its mangoes and sell them in the market. Then he would get more money for his marriage. The boy plucked all the mangoes and sold it in the market, and he got a handsome amount of money and he married lavishly. Then the boy again forgot the tree. The tree was waiting for his visit. After some days, the boy again visited the tree and complained that there had been a fight at his house. So he urgently needed one house. The generous tree again helped him by giving it strong branches. The tree told him that by using these strong branches, you can build a house and you can also make furniture that you need. By hearing this, the man became very happy and he did the same and went away. On the next day onwards, the tree started to wait for his visit, but he didn't come. It was very sad, also felt lonely. It missed the boy a lot. Now the tree was also aged without its branches. One day the man again came. He was aged then. He came to see the tree again with a complaint. Now he needed a boat to take his family on a voyage. But for the boat he had no money. Again the tolerant tree helped him by giving its trunk. That man was very thoughtless and he never think about the tree. He cut its trunk and made a boat and very happily went for the voyage with his family. The tree was very happy to give its trunk to help that man because it loved him very much. But the man was very cunning. He never think about the tree. Days passed. Finally, the man became very old and tired. Now he thought about the tree and its charity. So he wished to visit the tree again. By seeing the old man, the tree realized that he was that small boy. The tree became very happy and it said to the old man to come and rest on its stump. That was a good resting place for the old man. At last, the man fulfilled the tree's wish. Students, we all know that trees are always helpful for us. We get everything from the trees for the essentials of our lives. Then also we cut the trees and construct buildings in place of trees. Students, think about the future if we are destroying our beautiful nature like this. the consequences of this will be very menacing. So, love trees, they are our best friends. Hope you have understood the charity of a tree. Let's end this section here. Thank you.